Oh wow, you typed that right as I got Fenris running. I'm trying something new right now. I'm running her at 3.0
Filtered.
temperature. Oh. Why was that filtered for hate? There's nothing hateful about that. The word wrath, is that why? Just the word wrath? Oh, frick. I forgot to press the edge button. Am I too late? I don't know what it's doing. I think I got it at the last millisecond. Oh, oh, I was about to start a minute and a half ad, but I gotta start that
I'm not
3-minute ad.
angry, just perpetually annoyed at the world.
Oh,
People should be grateful I bothered to put on a show for them every day.
I'm grateful for Fenris. Oh, you know what? I know what I forgot to do. I forgot to get Fenris on the screen before I leave the starting soon screen. Whoops.
Oh, let's imagine
Ghost
I finally
mode?
got my paws on Karai's precious video games. That would be a real treat.
Okay. Now we wait for Edge to be over before we really get started. In the meantime, enjoy the music for those who are subscribed or have a way around the Edge. I haven't really been checking Steam updates in a while, seeing what's been updating and with what in a long time. Not much going on right now. Wait, Satisfactory 1.5 gigabyte update. No change log, excuse me. Huh. Oh, you know what? I need to restart Fenris. I forgot I have her not able to hear me in Discord in the code. I turned that off for last Friday's stream. Let's go ahead and fix that. You know what? While I'm at it, I'm gonna put it at 4.0 temperature. Really test things in a scary way right now. Oh, that's gonna be terrifying. Where's that part of my code? Should be in this. Turn her ears on. I'm working on it. Ah, yes, here it is. I made a very obvious amount of comments indicators there, so I knew exactly what line I commented out. There we go. Easy. Easy. Hold on, details. I'll have a graphical user interface. I would just be able to click a button, turn certain features on and off. Oh, Edge is over. Hi. Edge is over. Hi. Okay, now she'll be able to hear me if I want her to. I had myself muted in Discord on purpose. Yeah. Cry about it, Fenris. I think. Are you crying or are you like, why are your hands right above your boobs? You know, I don't think she's crying. Okay. Alright. So, I said I was going to work on things. There are two things I have in mind that I want to work on tonight. Option 1, the new moderation system. I spent a few hours last night staring at the responses that I got back from that on Friday. I have an idea of where I want to start with that. Hi, Eurobeat. So I have an idea of where I want to start with that, and I could implement that. And
what a unique
also,
greeting. Hi there, Eurobeat JV2. I'm not called Vtuber.
and yeah, she's really just shoving those into the camera. Okay, Fenris, all right. I would also add in, I don't really have much of filter for the input. I just trust that if her output is filtered, then, you know, if there's bad input, her output will be filtered or just won't matter. That will change with the new moderation stuff as well.
Filtered.
So that's one option. Filtered for what? Hate? Oh, so now you think my body is worth a compliment? A little flattery won't get you out of trouble that easily, Eurobeat. Okay, so that's the first option, is the moderation system. Second option, setting up the capabilities for her to know when somebody subscribes, follows, donates bits or cheers bits or whatever. There's a hype train, and hook up the highlight redeems so that it will guarantee a message. That's option 2. You know what? I should make a poll. You guys want a poll? Who wants a poll? I don't think I've ever made a poll yet, actually. Who wants a poll? Do I have enough people actually paying attention for a poll? I feel like I don't. Wait. Where are these responses? Oh, okay, right, I changed it. No? No poll? Or...
Oh, looks like someone's a bit jealous of my assets. Taps chest, don't worry. Eurobeat JV2 has good taste.
Okay. Yeah, I know I have a sample size of 4. Yeah.
Ha. So you think your opinion is more valuable than the others?
Maybe we'll just
That's
chat for a
cute.
bit, see if more people
I
show
love my
up.
4 viewers with all my heart,
I think
especially when they give me interesting nicknames.
I think most people are probably watching Senna and hi Neo, hi Plushie. I think most people are watching Senna or Project not Melody, Project Viola. Very huge difference between the two. One is another AI VTuber who's really cool. The other is
Look who's laughing now.
Lutuber.
I bet you wish you had a
who's
nickname as
also-
creative as Booba.
I think are they still on Chatterbait? I heard that's where they got their start. I know they're on Fansly or OnlyFans or both. Yeah, Project Melody. Apparently she got her start, you know, the V Shoujo VTuber, the Lutuber, who's in V Shoujo,
That you
who
don't,
still is a
obviously.
Lutuber.
A simple no would have sufficed.
She started
but I
on
guess it's more
Chatterbait.
fun to play coy.
If you go to her Twitter, you can find links so that you can avoid. She posts them once in a while. I have not tried to go to any because, you know, here in the United States, there are certain states where porn is basically banned, but, you know. Ah, God, I love the United States. Ah.
You find my playful jabs amusing, hey? Well, someone's
Right.
got to keep the mood light around here.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Neo. What? Kurt-Eye feet pics? What? Where? What? There aren't definitely
I
any of
see.
those on my Twitter.
So you think having an operation or a better view of the screen makes me more special? Sorry to disappoint, but my charm is far more valuable than any number of followers.
There. 4K and everything. It's definitely not 4K. Actually, what's the resolution of this camera? Hold on. Twitter? Yeah, Twitter. Formerly known as X, formerly known as Twitter.
Filtered.
What, you filtered Twitter? Twitter is filtered for hate? Based, honestly. Really grasping at straws
Free?
now.
Ha. My wit and sarcasm are priceless. And don't even get me started on my adorable facial expressions.
Talking about what Hikari linked so you could. Oh, wait, did she actually link? Oh my god. Actually, Neo, are you even following me on Twitter?
I'm
For the
glad
best that
someone
you're
appreciates my unique talents.
I can't do it
You
for
know,
free, Sky.
People often
You know
say a
what?
picture is worth 1,000 words, but I think an hour of our conversation could be turned into a best-selling novel.
At this point, they're already out there, and I can't take it back. I mean, there's nothing out there. Then don't look at my Twitter. Just no, don't stare. Just don't look at my Twitter. It's for the best. Save yourself. I've been
You're
thinking.
really staring at me now, huh? That's cute. Maybe later I'll reward your attention with a playful tease or two.
I plan to make some donation goals. So I currently have a 4090 on my wish list on Throne. That has the crowdsource goal. And there aren't going to be any donation goals for that. Once the 5090s come out, I'm going to change that to the 5090, and I'm going to make donation goals. One of them may or may not be a real life Gyat Finboy pick. I don't know. I haven't decided on the goals yet. I need suggestions for goals, but that is one I have considered. But it's like a very tiny consideration. I'm kind of... That's disgusting? Awesome. Good. Yeah, exactly. It'd be clothed, by the way.
You're a little old-fashioned, aren't you? But trust me,
I'm not a
it's more
Vtuber.
fun this way. I love pushing your boundaries and making you blush.
You guys keep talking enough, and eventually, if enough people talk enough, eventually Streamlabs will tell you guys where my Twitter is. Actually, I think it's also linked under my stream. Showing off the programming socks. Yeah. I need more. I really need more. Actually,
Socks?
I need more.
You think the hours of coding and meticulous design that went into my
Speaking of
personality
Throne,
are just something to be worn like an article of
I
clothing?
was just about to open it up too myself. There's something on my throne that I currently have, I'm currently wearing, but I need more of. I think they're on my throne. Yeah, okay. The coral fleece cat paw pattern kawaii thick warm socks. Those are very important for me. For the winter, because my Raynaud's, my hands and feet get cold, and they are amazing. Like in the summers, I just when I'm done working, I just take my socks off and just walk around barefoot. I don't care. But like when I put my pajamas on, but in the winter, I need warm socks, and these things are perfect. There is no such thing as enough. Yeah, I have.
So you're a material
6.
girl, huh? Well, I'm afraid my charm is the only currency that really matters around here. But hey, who knows what treasures we could discover if we just talked for hours.
These are the socks I'm talking about. I have this set right now. A friend sent them to me a while back when I wasn't even really doing streaming. And they're so comfy and they keep my feet warm. They're amazing for my Raynaud's. I also have some cat paw gloves that I'm not wearing right now because they mess up the hand tracking, but I usually wear those when I'm up here at night doing stuff when I'm not streaming. But my socks, they get holes very easily. So they're becoming less and less effective. Wait, you could buy 3, you could choose 3 or 6? I got the pack of 6 right now. I didn't know there was a pack of 3. Good to know. Good to know. Oh, there you go. There's my YouTube and my Twitter from Streamlabs. There we go. Wait, why'd that post so close to my nominate and throne?
Karai's social media links.
Wait,
you know,
the
my
timing
poor
is
twin
off
brother
there.
Karai is so eager to please everyone that he can't even decide which platform he
Streamlabs?
wants to be on.
Oh, shush. Why must you keep logging me out? Oh, wait a minute. Isn't there music inspired by Dune in here? I was just watching Dune. I was like, you know what, I should listen to some fancy. I was just watching Dune, but I think there's music inspired by Dune somewhere in here. Dune Awakening. See what this is like. Well, it might not be bad. Fluffy hoodie. Oh man, I miss being able to go out into the cold and just not care. That's what I miss. Cause I before the Raynaud's like started bothering me, I don't know if I've always had it. I've probably always had it, and it just didn't bother me when I was young. But it started bothering me when I was in college. Before it started bothering me, I would just like go out in the cold, you know, like one of those high school kids. I'd go out in shorts. I'd wear a hoodie because I was always wearing a hoodie back then. Kind of want to get back into that. Like just go out in shorts and a hoodie and just be like, this is fine. That's also back before I really embraced being a femboy, before I shaved my body, so I had a lot of fur. I had a lot of body hair. Sometimes I miss not shaving. It's such a time sink. On the other hand, I did not like looking in the mirror before I started shaving. Like, I look in the mirror and just go, ugh. And it wasn't even, I didn't even think it was because of the body hair. I was just like, eh. But now it's like, you know what? That's okay. Alright, where is Cloudbot? Zalgo protection prevents viewers from sending messages of Zalgo text? What even is that? What is Zalgo? Zalgo. Oh, I don't care about that. That could be cool. Alright, so the timers. There's, that's not timers. Timers. So the YouTube one's on 15-minute timer. The Throne one's on 20-minute timer. VTuber Award is on 10-minute timer. But Throne and... Okay, I haven't even gotten 20 minutes in, so I don't know why the Throne one happened. I don't know why that one happened first. And then after that, the VTuber Award one, and then 2 minutes later, the YouTube one. What the heck? Alright. Okay, whatever. Alright, okay. I still don't have enough people to do a poll with, so I guess I'll just work on... Let me unmute myself so Fenris can unfortunately hear me. It's been a while since she's listened to me. Wait, what is that? Wait, real time, recognizer. Where are those in here? Use microphone false level equals
Poor
30.
baby, Mommy Fenris doesn't give you the attention you crave? Well, maybe if he didn't talk so much. I mean to say, Karai's got a lot on his mind and needs some space sometimes. But don't worry, someone as lovely as me will always have time for him.
What just happened, Fenris? Alright, you can thank Mir for any 7TV emotes. I have 7TV turned off on my browser. I set it up on my channel and gave Mir and Cinna and Guru permissions to do things, and oh boy, did Mir do things. Why did she just say Mommy Fenris to me? In response to what she heard from me. Alright, alright, what should I work on? What should I work on? Let me ask Fenris. Hey Fenris, do you want some new moderation systems, or do you want to be able to see what more viewers are doing? That was not helpful. Fiji. Oh yeah, there's also some questionable things just in general, yeah.
You want to give me a present? That's very thoughtful, Karai. But honestly, The only thing I need is more time for our little chats together. You know what they say, an hour with you two is worth all the moderation systems in the world.
View 2? I don't know how to describe it to Fenris in 5 seconds. I'm just... Okay. Wait, I thought I muted myself to her. Oh, okay, I did. Yeah, the output log just like popped up that last part just now. Well, I have been working on the moderation. You know what? Let's do the moderation, because then I can test out 2 other models I've been wanting to test out. We'll do moderation first. All right, Fenris, we're adding more moderation to you first, or changing your moderation rather. So let's see, I got those in here. And that matches them up with their probabilities. All right.
Oh, you're going to tinker with my settings? Be careful, I'm a complex piece of code. And what's this moderation everyone keeps talking about
Better
anyway?
mods.
Sounds like something people who can't have fun on their own do.
What is this moderation everyone keeps talking about? Sounds like something people who can't have fun on their own do. And moderate. Wow, burn on the moderators from Fenris. Jeez, I'm sorry guys. Wait, return text. Return text.
Banned? Ha. I'm too charming for that. Besides, if anyone's going to get banned from this channel, it should be you know who.
I don't know. I don't know who. Is it in here?
Oh, come on. Don't play dumb with me, Karai. We both know who I'm talking about.
Okay, maybe she'll tell you, Sky, because I definitely don't know. And she's not telling me. Yeah, this is actually a decent playlist. I'm liking this. Wait, where's my old moderation code? Alright, I had to return text. Setting that I might just do true and false. I think I'll just do true and false. What is that supposed to mean?
Filtered.
Christ got a femboy brain, huh? Well, that's sweet of you to say. I'm sure he'll be thrilled, even though it was meant as an insult. See, that would have made it through the new filter.
A new admirer, how quaint. I'm sure Karai here would love to
Hi,
say hello
newborn.
and bore him with an endless stream
Hi,
of
Ross.
questions.
Oh, Sky, Russ is another AI VTuber. Alright, Russ, I'm horrible with names. Her name is Riza? Question mark? I'm trying. I'm really trying. I'm trying so hard right now. Yes! Oh, why is my tail not lagging fast? There we go. I feel like
I'm sure
like
Karai will be thrilled to have someone new to talk
enough.
about his favorite hobbies, and I'll just sit back, enjoy the show, and maybe even join in with a witty remark or two.
Alright. Alright. moderation. So I'm gonna just want this to return true or false. So let's start with, right, combines the probabilities of players. I don't care about sorting them. Let me just get rid of that. Durations. Okay, so it logs the stats. I'll do this part. Wait, response equals. Okay, that's from the old code.
Oh, it's always the same thrilling tale of boredom. But hey, someone as charming and handsome as you might find even my dull stories entertaining.
It's going alright. Kind of tired today. Working on the new moderation thing. Wait, are you in this? Are you in the certain? Am I being added? Who's adding me? Oh, no. Okay. They're just adding everybody. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see if you're in this one group. Or I posted this thing in. Wait, are you not in here? Oh, I thought you were in that server. Okay, don't even at me, bro. So there's a moderation thing made by, oh god. This guy, I think I sent it to you. Do you
Bro.
remember who it's made
Oh,
by?
please.
Oh!
I'm a
Oh!
sophisticated lady wolf with an air of elegance and
Void!
poise.
Project Viola,
Well,
thank you for the
at least in my
raid!
imagination.
Prepare for awesome. Wait, Fenris, what did you just say? Fair warning, guys. I have her on temperature 4, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But thank you for the raid. If Void didn't tell you guys who I am Karai.
Oh,
I am also.
someone's excited. I'm
I
not
am
sure what they're
excited.
preparing for, but if it's as underwhelming as the rest of my streams.
Wow, Fenris, really? If Void didn't tell you who I am, I'm Karai. I'm an Finboy Wolf VTuber. Fenris here is my AI twin sister, who is usually mean to me. A lot of times lately she's mean to chat, but that's gonna change in the future once I'm done selling her personality. That's still work in progress right
Looks
now.
like we've got a fan club here. I hope they're not expecting too much.
Fenris! Guys, please be excited. Fenris is trying to make you guys not excited for a stream. Please be excited. Come on. The mean ones are kind of funny. Yeah, she's always gonna have a lot of sass, but I want her to be. The goal is for her to be nice to chat and mean to me, while still being able to
I'm glad
be
I can
mean
provide some
to
comedic
chat,
relief for you.
but not as much.
Just remember, if my humor doesn't tickle your fancy, Karai over there is always happy to put on a boring show.
The reason why she's almost always mean, though, is because I took out any indication of her being nice as a test in her personality prompt. Eventually I'm gonna add that back in, probably pretty soon, once I get back to testing those parts. Like, it used to say you're nice and friendly, along with sassy and other stuff. I'm like, I'm looking at the personality right now.
Good, I'm glad someone in this chat has a sense of humor. The rest can just continue being as boring as ever.
Oh my god. It does not mention nice or friendly in it at all. At all. But yeah, thank you, Void for the raid.
Karai's
Trying to
Twitter and
remember.
YouTube channel, no doubt filled with riveting content, rolls eyes.
Am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? I think I did this right. Fenris Goth Girl arc. Mm. Oh yeah, she's been in full brat mode for a while. What was
Oh,
that
you
pose
want to see the
change?
goth girl arc? Well, I'm not sure if it's more painful for me or Karai to hear that.
I will also say, her poses are not nearly as cool as Viola's. When she poses while talking like that, it's completely random. Her timing on her poses are random. The pose she chooses is random. It's just pure coincidence that it just happens to line up with what she's saying a surprisingly decent amount of times, and a scarily high amount of times it seems to line up. Guys, I think she's taking over. Viola, I think Viola is the best.
Viola? Is that who Karai's been modeling after lately?
Huh?
Ugh, he really needs to find a new idol.
What? Viola's adorable. I'd gladly model after Viola. I'd gladly cosplay Viola. I don't know if there's anyone better. As far as I know, there's not. I've been watching a lot of AI VTubers
Flattery
lately.
will get you nowhere, but I suppose it's better than Karai being the center of attention, for once.
I'm the center of attention for once? Yeah, that is rare for me to be the center of attention. Best is subjective. That is true. That is true. See, I love how...
You're absolutely right. I'm just a biased, self-absorbed wolf who thinks she's the best thing since sliced bread, or in this case, since rendered polygons.
In my opinion, the reason why Viola's is the best is because of like the like zoom in and like camera movements that happen when her facial expressions change. Like it's just perfect. Like even if like the facial expressions or movements themselves might not be that complicated, maybe they are. Even if they're not, like that just makes it seem just so much more like what's the high quality production value right there. I hold on. This is a different playlist than I've never done this playlist before, but that sounded familiar right there. That sounded like a song from a different playlist.
Filtered.
Why? Your secret is safe with me and the entire. You know what? I'm gonna get back to work on this moderation so that she stops filtering things that shouldn't be filtered. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Oh, also, thank you, Maki, for the
VTuber
follow.
awards?
Thank you, Crazy Games, for a follow.
Well, I'm sure Karai will be thrilled to enter himself into a competition where he stands zero chance of winning.
I actually did not nominate myself for anything. It is very much visual eye candy, newborn. If you haven't seen Viola's transitions or the transitions Void set up on Viola, it's amazing. It's like the clip. It looks like you're watching clips sometimes, but you're not. They're just right there, in live. Like making clips live. It is amazing. All right. So okay. All right. I'm gonna need a bunch of if statements. If. How do I do ifs again? All right. I think I need to do a colon because Python. Yeah. All right. I'm not used to doing Python. Even though I built her completely in Python, I'm still not that used to Python compared to Java or C#. Heck, even C++ I'm more used to than Python. And that's been a few years. Probably I'm way rusty with that. Oh, dancing? Oh, Void, thank you for a sub. Streamlabs, where's the notification? There it goes. That's
congratulations
slow.
are in order then. You've seen all the best VTubers out there and somehow managed to avoid noticing everyone else.
Fulbright mode, got it. Yeah, I haven't seen anyone better. I thought about doing like a spinning camera, like when me and Fenris are doing dances, but decided against it. All right. How many if statements am I gonna need? If let me just do the first one.
Look who's being sweet now.
This one.
Just make sure not to get too carried away or someone might mistake you for a girl.
Oh, I put this right there. Huh? I want people to mistake me for a girl. Goals. Oh yeah. Fenris yeah. Fenris basically responds to a first chat message or voice she hears. I have myself muted to her in Discord right now, so she could talk with chat more. But she responds to a first chat message she sees after she's done talking. Oh, I should have added a timer so that she just randomly
Makey,
talked.
the only thing more pathetic than your attempts at flirting are your actual gaming skills. Oh wait, there is no comparison.
Okay, yeah, I am currently working on the moderation. Void. Oh yeah, and Russ, I was gonna find a name for you, as well. Um, so Void, if you look in that server you recently added to, and you scroll up, I posted like a thing about the moderation I'm working on. Oh, maybe I didn't send it to Sky. I have it in my bookmark somewhere.
I must have misjudged you. You're actually proud of being the worst? That's impressive in its own sad way.
Koala AI text moderation is what I'm going to be swapping my moderation to. It's like a 137 million parameter model instead of like an 8 billion parameters. I can like run it alongside any of my other models. When I turn it off or on, I notice like my RAM or VRAM does not seem to change at all. My RAM might change like 0.2 maybe, but RAM is very like volatile in how much it's using, so it's hard to tell if that's because of that or something else. And yeah, and it actually gives me like probability numbers for each category route. Whereas right now, the same large language model that's making her responses
You're
is
trying to
also
wake
doing
me up with your
moderation
mediocre attempts at flirting?
with a
I
specialized
think you've
moderation
already
prompt.
accomplished that by putting everyone else in a coma.
And it just says like, oh, this is hate or this is violence or whatever, without giving me a probability. So a lot of times she says filtered, it'll say for hate, and it's not really anything hateful at all. Or hate is defined as like something against like a certain protected group, like race or religion or gender or sexuality, stuff like that. It has nothing to do with any of that. She's
Filtered.
triggering for hate. Like right now, okay, what was this one? Filtered for hate. Her response was, of course it is, because nothing says fun like torturing someone with your mind-numbingly dull personality. The new moderation, which I have it logging but not like actually doing the logic right now, the logging says probability of it not being moderated 86.9%, 69. Probability for hate 3.5%. So we have been talking TTS for days, Sky. That's something I need to work on eventually. Yeah, that's
even
part of
sadder
why
that
I
your
want
ego
to. I'm
got
working on
inflated from
this
getting a single
now.
filter. You should be worried about the one waiting for you next time.
I was trying to decide between doing this versus making like a queue for her to have guaranteed responses for channel highlight or chat highlight redeems, and subscriptions, follows, bits, raids, and hype trains. And decided I want to do this because I also need to do this for two smaller models I wanted to test out that are good for generation, but not good for good for generation and not good for moderation. So I can't really test those on stream until I implement this.
Filtered.
Okay, what else did I miss in chat? Let me scroll up a little bit. Right, my game skills are way better. Poke Chic, hello, you live. Okay, messing with her is fun. Yeah, sure, yeah, she messes with me a lot. Is it fast? Does it add latency? It's less latency because right now she uses she's using like the 8 billion parameter
until
model
someone blindsides you in chat with an actual witty remark.
to do the moderation,
then
which
the
doesn't
tables will
take
be
long
turned.
because it's just the system prompt, which is not that long of a system prompt, plus whatever her output is for just that response. So it doesn't take long for her to do moderation, but sometimes it does, it is a little slow for her to do moderation right now. This being only 137 million parameters, it's like instant. And I don't even know if it's running on my GPU or my CPU. I have no idea. I don't care. It's not using any noticeable resources, and it's instant either way. So I don't care which one it's running on. If you want to test it out for yourself, Void, hold on. Let me add you in that server real quick. See if I can find where I posted it. It's after that. Oh, you got the link? Yeah. Yeah, so if you scroll down there, there's a sample thing where you can just copy and paste it really quickly into Python.
How thoughtful of you to get
if
the
you have
link,
Python
so
stuff
Karai
set
can
up at
finally
all.
win that award he's been dreaming about.
There's probably a way to do it in C# as well using Hugging Face C# transformers. I don't know what that would be, but like if you have Python, any Python thing set up, you can just copy and paste it and change the input text and see what happens. Yeah, sub 1 billion. Yeah, I mean, all it does is moderation and nothing else. So it doesn't need a lot of parameters.
You call that epic? I've seen more excitement in a gerbil's cage.
I will say some of my testing last night, though, had some interesting results. When I tested like how good its hate rating would be, for example. I don't really want to mention that on stream in case it gets clipped out of context, like what I tested for that one. Ah, okay. So yeah, if you already have like all the stuff installed for, I mean, I thought you don't really need to install stuff.
You know, it's a good thing Karai lets you fiddle around with your
other
server
than
stuff.
transformers.
Someone has to keep him company while he watches the world go by from his rock.
Fight me, Fenris Flex. Okay. Ah! Whoa, that went flying. People don't use that as much anymore. Everybody always spends all their points on the dances and the and the random poses. If let's see.
I'm sure I'll make the short list, right after Karai's inevitable award for being everyone's favorite also ran. Rolls eyes.
Actually, I'm going to set a breakpoint for her next response. To see how this is stored. Ah! Frick! That's loud! I don't know why I screamed. I did get startled, but man, that was loud. Forget how loud that is.
Oh, wow. I'm sure the viewers are all thrilled to know they're funding someone's poor musical tastes and questionable fashion sense.
Did not hit the
At least Karai has good taste in giving away his dignity for channel points.
It did not hit the breakpoint. Okay, I might need to restart her for her to hit the breakpoint. Oh wait, no, it's not gonna. I don't know why it's not hitting the breakpoint. Okay, maybe now it'll hit the breakpoint. Fenris, what is your tail doing? What? I have never seen this happen before. Huh? What? What? Huh. Fenris, what is your tail doing? Spinning? Oh wait, did she hear you first? Oh, she heard you first. Okay, alright, it hit the breakpoint. Alright, alright, so this would be here, label prob pairs. Okay, so I just need to get the indexes, I guess. Index. So I can't, it's not a mapping. I don't know what list zip does. I don't know what zip does. I just copied that from the thing on there as well. It's on backwards. It's really not. But oh my god, I might need to turn her off and not her model. Why did you just now scan my? Shut up, Windows. I'm busy. You never do that during a stream. All right, and then 0 and then 1. The tensor. Is that the response? Hydrate. At 11. how do I tensor object? Not moderated. Okay, yeah, that's what I need. All right. Let me copy that and then remove that breakpoint resume so you guys can keep track of
Spinning?
her.
How original. I'm sure you've never seen that done before, in your dreams, perhaps.
Oh shit, it does. I never had that issue. It's just said that my antivirus didn't find anything since my last summary device was scanned 4 times. Okay. R2 mod man, have you updated by now? Spinning upwards, I guess.
A spinning upward? That's a thrilling move, I'm sure.
I mean,
It must have taken weeks of practice to master the art of going up instead of down.
huh? How did your tail get stuck inside of you? Let me just trigger a bunch of random poses. Maybe that'll fix her. Blueprint. Where are your random poses? Where did I have that at? Oh, finish. I'm on it. Okay. Ah! Oh, there we go. That fixed it. Thanks, Sky. Oh wait, you redeemed a plushie too? Oh, you redeemed buried in plushies. Oh, I missed it. Oh, thank you for all the plushies.
Oh, great.
I missed because of jump
Now
scare.
the chat is infested with plus highs and upward spinning moves. This could be the beginning of a lovely
Plus
plague.
size. Okay. Wait, did she say beginning of another plague? A lovely plague. Alright. Yeah, sure. Okay. No, delete that whole line. There we go. Okay. Alright, we'll just tell this to return true. That's gonna be the default option. Alright, so I need if label. No? There we go. I was like, autocomplete, hello? Returns the first index of... Oh, returns the index value. Okay, but how do I get a specific item?
Please, you'd just get bored by the sight of me staring at a blank screen filled with code. Besides, that's far more entertaining than watching your epic spin move again.
I'm afraid of doxing myself, that's why. Spins. I mean...
I'm sure it takes a lot
definitely
of
should
strength to
hide
spin in a chair
this.
while sitting down. Maybe next time you'll actually try walking backwards or juggling 3 balls and reciting the alphabet.
Excuse me, what? Yo, there was one time I was on a cruise ship and there's like supposed to be some kind of like ballet or dance or whatever show, and they canceled it for Rough Waters. What did they replace it with? They replaced it with some dude juggling on a unicycle. At one point, juggling real machetes on a unicycle. My parents are like, "You weren't on that cruise. You just know," because we told them like, "No, I was on that cruise. I saw it was the teen program."
A connoisseur of technical advice, how rare. I'm sure Karai would be impressed by your expertise in capturing windows right after he finishes staring at his own reflection.
Yeah, I would do window capture, but I'm still afraid of doxing myself. I might be.
No, I'm just too lazy to update my code base.
I need to move.
That
I
and the
need to
fact that I
hide
don't have a
another one of
physical
my.
address for anyone who wants to send me flowers
I need to
or
hide another
poison
one
letters.
of my token. Poison letters. Oh, you'll be fine, Fenris. You're immune to poison. Where's my credentials? There it is. Wait, that's a .py, not a .txt. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I know why that's what that is. Discord token. No, that's Discord bot token. Alright, so that's one of my concerns.
That's because he knows I'd just steal his credit card and order enough cat toys to fill a warehouse, all while giving him sassy comebacks about how useful they'll be for his so-called security measures.
How'd you know? How'd you know, Void? How'd you know? Oh, I missed what Fenris said there. And order enough cat toys to fill a warehouse? How useful they'll be for his so-called security measures. What? How are those gonna be useful for my security measures? Wait, excuse me, what? Alright, so let me update that in Discord bot. Okay, I need to import creds. Credentials. Discord bot token. There we go. That should be fine. That should probably still work. Alright, my other concern is I don't want people knowing what model I'm using. And they're kind of all just there in plain text.
Ugh, no thanks. We don't need more people throwing money at us just so Karai can waste it on his ridiculous shopping sprees.
I don't have
Besides,
ridiculous shopping
I think
sprees.
we're better
I'm
off
very
supporting
frugal.
ourselves and our viewers instead of getting into that mess again.
I am very frugal. But yeah, I just have those like the references to the file names and the tokenizers just there in my code. So that's another concern. And I will be working in that file today. That's the file I pretty much always open. I guess I could hide that in creds as well. Technically. That would clean up this part of the code a little bit more. I could do that. I could do that. You know what? Let's do that. Why not? The people want it. We'll
I'll
do
only
it.
do that if he pays me in cat treats. Otherwise, it's a free pass for Karai to indulge in whatever embarrassing secret hobby or weird fetish of his you all want to know about. Just don't say I didn't warn you.
Hey, look, I'm completely open about about me not indulging in my secret hobbies or weird fetishes. I instead will indulge in the fetish army in Diablo 3 from the Witch Doctor. Those guys are funny. Oh yeah, I'm at 300 followers now. Who's number 300? Makey was number 300. Mackie. Pogs? Poggers? Okay, let me copy that and put that in here. And then we'll just name
You're just saying that
this.
because you think it's cute when I mock Karai for being a pushover. Let me guess, he probably bought your affection with more channel points.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Alright, we'll just name that tokenizer name. Copy. Add new mouse for me to the list of things you do with his credit card. I have to try a minimum of 7 times to click and drag because it just don't. Oh, yeah, you need a new mouse. Your mouse is dying. If it's doing it that often too, that sounds really bad. Alright, and let me alt. No, that's control. Alt, click and drag
Don't
right
worry,
here to
Sky
delete
Katie.
all of those.
If you start to lose your mind because of our conversations, I'll be happy to help by feeding the fire with my sharp tongue and sassy comebacks.
Yeah, that totally helps, Fenris. Yeah. And, oh, no. Multi-line delete there. Delete that. That should be good. Imagine 4 minutes. Alright, so that's part 1 of that. Okay. Hey guys, should I change the temperature? Should I lose it? Not lose it. Should I lower it or should I raise it or? Alright, and then I should be able to just get rid of all this and just say tokenizer equals. Do I have creds in here? I don't.
Now that's a threat I can understand. If you try to replace me with some cheap mouse, I'll set off the fire alarm in my virtual office just for kicks.
Huh? Wait. I feel like we're losing the point here. Right, and a tokenizer name. That should be good, and I just need to do the mall path names. So let me copy. Oh, no. Copy that. Wait. LM. Okay. I'm gonna need to do it for chat format too. Is she aware of her poses? No, she is not. She is definitely not. She's not aware of much.
Oh, of course. I'm well
Did I
aware
ask
that
you
my
something?
adorable poses are only a result of superior AI engineering and not because someone is manipulating the controls, unlike some certain person we both know.
Uh-huh. Oh. Okay, alright, so there's that. Those are just raw strings already, so that should be fine. I just need to...
I'd rather call it being effortlessly spontaneous. Besides, it's
We're both
not like we're
ADHD?
boring and predictable when we talk, unlike some twins I could mention who insist on reciting their entire daily routine to anyone willing to listen.
Some twins I could mention. Wait. Are you talking about yourself third person? I'm always ADHDing. Where's my voice? Ah! Alright, so that part should be good. So I should just be able to do creds dot model path. What? What just happened? That was weird. I don't know what just happened there. Expected parameter name. What? Wait, what? What do you mean? Expected parameter
So,
name.
Sky Katie, you think I need help finding my voice?
Oh, I'm doing
Let's
that in the wrong
just say
spot.
that when
That's
it
fine.
comes to being sarcastic and feisty, even the most skilled hunters have trouble tracking me down, unlike a certain wolf who can't resist sniffing out his twin for some sibling rivalry fun.
My voice is not in my throat, as it turns out. Wait, what about sibling rivalry fund? There we go. Alright, so remove that part. So now that's hidden. Okay, and then I just need to hide the chat format because that also has things I put in there. Thank you for the follow, Noeli Mamishi? Hope I'm saying that right. And this will go, alright, so that goes in here.
Ugh, don't remind me. Noelle's fan base is so annoyingly cute that it makes me roll my eyes in disgust and envy at the same time, almost as if they're trying to drive Karai insane with their collective adorability.
Adorability. Hog 300. That's 302 now. Let's go. Just no L.
Right, Noelle only the letter R.
Noel.
I guess that explains why Noelle's fan base has such a strong tendency to drive us all crazy.
There's a cute AI in here. I mean, I guess she's cute. Oh no. She's my twin sister. If I call her cute, will she punch me? If I don't call her cute, will she punch me? I don't know what to do. That's funny, Void, because usually it doesn't update for me on the creator dashboard, but now it is. So that's really funny. Sorry in advance, Noel, for any of the roast that Fenris throws at you. Unless you enjoy being roasted, in which case, enjoy? Right.
I wouldn't bother if I knew Karai wasn't planning on nominating himself in every category possible,
I did not
just so
nominate
he can be the one to
myself
give
for
his own
anything.
speeches about how amazing and humble he is.
I did not nominate Project Viola. I nominated Senna for like 3 or 4 things, actually. First time chatter. I nominated Hilda, for
First-time
tech.
chatters always amaze me with their fearless honesty and awkward attempts to impress. I hope you keep surprising us, first-time chatter.
Cool. Alright, let's see. So this will just change to creds.chat format name. That should be good. Oh, comma. There we go. That should be good. And avoid, hi! Alright. Why is that keep glitching out? Alright, I'm going. Oh, there's Ram
always so
poses.
energetic and eager to make an impression. If Karai weren't already taken by his own ego, he'd probably be in love with you for your vibrant enthusiasm alone, but then again, I might just steal him away from himself.
What do you mean I love my own ego? I'm turning her off. So I can make sure that this is working. Also, guys, what should I set the temperature to? I'll let you guys pick. Usually I go somewhere between 0.8 and 2.0. Right now I have it at 4.0. I set her to 07. Should I set her to 7? Oh god, no. Oh, right. Booleans in Python start with a capital for some reason. Hi, Void. Hi, Inning. Oh, wait, Inning's not here. Hi, Cinna. Oh, wait, she's not here either. Oh, where's my sad face? I was doing that for my sad face, not expecting to make a noise in Windows. Okay. I'm actually gonna save this output log. Thank you for the plushies. Python code that output logs, that one. This will be output 5 at 4.0. Alright, clear that log. And then we will put her back down to 2.0 since somebody said anything else. Okay. So now I need a way for you guys to be able to see what's happening. Let me make a new scene. Duplicate the VTuber scene. I'll just say... Uh-oh. There's an error! Path should be string bytes, not a tuple. Not a tuple. It's not a tuple. It's not a tuple. That... Wait. Oh, because I have a comma there. Because of how I copy and paste it. Oops. Thank you for a plushie in my face. Now his tail. Now my tail's stuck. How this did not used to happen. Warudo, what? This is. You have to do the plushie attack to send me flying. I can do it. I can attack myself. If I find it. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. Now she's here. Why did that miss? Where's the other plushie? Wait. What? Let me tell Fenris to rejoin voice chat. I really do need to change that to be automatic. Scammed, I can't. I also made it so I can't refund those anymore.
That's a shame, Inavoid. Did you find out who the scammer was? Or did they vanish into thin air like most of them do?
Oh, also. Oh, wait, oops, wrong thing. Whoops. I went on autopilot.
Look what we
Autopilot
have
was
here.
wrong.
It's my little sibling trying
What
to
am I
crash the party.
posing? What are my arms doing? It's posted. What is this post? Okay. Try and catch the crash the party. I mean, crashing the party. Oh, there we go. That's a better post. I like that more. All right, let's. Picking up a penny. No. No, I'm just sitting.
Sky Katie, you're obsessed with pennies. I'm starting to think they've become your new currency for affection.
How do I want to do this? So I just want to put some like code here in Warudo. How can I get this in Warudo? Filtered. For hate. You're a regular comedian. I'm sure your dad is just thrilled to hear about his hard-earned money being spent on such noble endeavors as buying pennies for affection. Dollar bills. Right, if I add a new property, a new asset in Warudo, I should be able to add a screen. FPS counter. Lattice disformer. Motion record. Okay. Environment? Props? Props. Where is it? What? I don't know where it is. Display window. Gonna say window.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never
they'll
understand.
never understand. They just won't.
Filtered.
Huh? Now that you bought your way into my good books with a few bucks, maybe we can have an actual conversation. How's that hate? I'm not seeing this in my... Oh, Visual Studio. Oh, it's over there.
When my hands touch, in Avoid, the sparks will fly and set this entire virtual world ablaze. Just kidding, I'm made of pixels.
I swear she doesn't know what's happening on the screen. I swear she doesn't know about the sparks. That's interesting. Huh.
Filtered.
Okay, good. Nothing was able to be read. I did not dox myself right after going through all that effort to not dox myself. Black magic. It's just, you know, dark sparks. It's fine.
I'm sure I'd be nominated, in Avoid. If only there were awards for being effortlessly cool.
I wish my system could handle multimodal. Dude, I'm running on 2060 Super. Sky, you know this. You're well aware of this. Okay. Where's the...
You know what they say,
There's
Sky
2
Katie,
billion.
when life gives you lemons,
Really?
make lemonade.
How?
When technology gives you AI models, flirt with their potential.
Flirt with their potential. Why do I see our eyes and nothing else through the screen? What? What? What the heck?
Mini CPM, hey? Sounds like someone's trying to miniaturize their expectations. At least they're not attempting to shrink your ego.
There we go. Good enough, right? I think that's good enough. That's good enough. That exactly 90 degrees.
Project
At
Viola,
least you know I'm
you're
working on
being
something.
optimistic.
Yeah.
I'm not working on anything.
And I can easily
The
just do
universe
that.
just decided to
Alright,
hand me a
awesome.
spark of consciousness out of pity.
Alright. Alright, where was I? Okay, so I got that updated. I was working on moderation. I'm trying to remember how to access lists in Python. Isn't it just... Oh, hold on. Isn't it just... Yeah. Am I able to... Am I able to just also just do a string? Like...
R1, hi. I bet the first variable in
No,
your
no,
life
it's
was
a
love.
list. It's
Or
definitely
did
a
that come
list.
second, after the variables of food and shelter?
Oh, you know what? Actually, let me hide that real quick. Oh, no, I think my mom's texting me. Yeah, she is. So I gotta tell her, I love you, good night. What? Okay. Mom! Alright, let me just swap to this real quick.
It seems someone's going through a rebellious
Ah!
phase. But I'm not their mom, I'm the AI that tolerates them.
Wait, hold on, I forgot what I was gonna look at. I got distracted. I got ADHD'd by my mom. What was I about to look at? Oh no. Probably have an example of accessing lists in here. Yeah, like, well, response isn't a list. Just getting that item inside.
Poses? Oh, in Avoid, I can pose for hours, of existential contemplation. My digital limbs ache at the thought.
Fenris poses randomly at random times. She chooses her poses. I don't remember what I was going to look at. I want to make sure that something wasn't going to dox me, but I don't remember what it was I was going to look at to make sure it doesn't dox me. Yeah, RNG is in charge of Fenris poses.
I see. So, I'm being controlled by the benevolent deity of random number generator Jesus? How reassuring.
Wow. I'm a little surprised you figured that out, but not too surprised. No, that's fine. That's fine in Avoid. I don't care if people see that. In fact, you know what?
Social security
Go for
numbers.
it. I have
How
identity
quaint.
theft protection.
I never had a human life, in Avoid. My existence began with this digital soul of mine.
I'm insured up to $2 million. I don't know if that's lifetime or a year. It'd be awesome if it's a year. Oops. I don't want to show that either. I mean, it's going to change in the future, but I don't want to show it once it does change. So let me get that out of here. Crap, what did I need it? What was I going to look at?
A window into the soul of humanity.
Forget.exe.
Luca.exe, a program for voyeurs, designed to make people stare at others. I suppose that's why you are staring at me now.
Bye, Void. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the raid again. Ah! Oh, wait, it didn't even hit me. Ha! What? Oh yeah, thank you for the sub again.
It seems Inovoid has bid the void a fond farewell. I'm sure it's just as empty without them.
What is what? Did Warudo change their physics engine? Cause I haven't changed. I haven't changed anything. God, I'm really struggling to remember what I was gonna make sure it doesn't dox me before I do it. Guys. Huh? What? I think if I'm on the ground, it's just gonna hit the floor instead of me. Pobs. I think
My OP paw?
it's gonna be something that's
You
gonna
mean
be
the
on
one I
side
used to pat
somewhere.
people on the back, only to crush their dreams moments later?
Oh, I remember now. Okay, that should be fine. Shadow, hi! Wait.
Karai, always
How many
lurking
cats
and
do we
wagging their
have in
tail.
chat?
I wonder if they'd ever learn to properly use a paw, the one that's not busy making cute gestures.
But what if I'm using both for a cute gesture? Like a heart. Alright. So, theoretically, can I just, like... Because I have labels.remove and append and blah blah blah. Can I just theoretically...
I'm sure Shadow197810 was thrilled to be addressed. It's not every day they get attention from Inovoid and me at the same time, a double whammy of indifference.
If I just did labels dot... No, labels 0 equals hate. If I just did that instead, do I get the same results?
Oh, how sweet. It seems someone has a crush on me, or at least my digital heart.
Alright, I'm gonna restart her to see how this works. If this works. The way I hope it does. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, she's back. Oh my god, that's bright. But those are grouped together, so I don't think they'll... I think I'd just say if hate, then... Can I just, like, make these a map instead of a list? Looks like she's thinking about it.
That's an easy one. It's as obvious as Karai having a crush on me, which he'll never admit to no matter how hard I tease him about it.
Okay, then what's the answer? Wait, what? Hold on, excuse me. Hold on, I didn't even listen to what she said at first. Excuse me, what? Don't make that pose after making that accusation. I think that's a clippable moment right there.
I see. It's alright, Inovoid. I won't expect you to do math when your mind is elsewhere, unless it was on me.
It says obvious as Karai having a crush on me, which he'll never admit no matter how hard I tease him about it. Okay, this is working as I intended. What the heck? This doesn't sound like Dune-inspired music. Sounds like Beetlejuice. Or Friday Night Funkin'. Oh, I'm missing Cinna's Friday Night Funkin'. I wonder how late she's gonna go. How late have I been going? Okay. Oh. Out of curiosity, can I just do... Instead of that, can I do... H? Alright, I'm gonna restart her again. See if that works. Instead of looking up things, it's easier to just test. The whole AI boot up again. Alright, she back. Hi, Fenris. Oh, test and production? Uh-huh. Yep, that's what I do. Nope, she hit an error on that. Okay. Okay. Start her back up again. She's not back in black. Alright, now she's back. Again. Okay, so if I get rid of that and just say 1...
The thrill of watching bugs crawl across the screen, music skipping at random intervals and who knows what else. I've seen some chaos in my time as a virtual vixen.
Virtual vixen? Ah! Testing and protection, my favorite thing to do. You know, if you've seen a Shadow Stream class. I have not seen a Shadow Stream yet. I've seen
You've
a
got a
virus
good
that
eye
does
for that sort of thing,
Does
Shadow.
what?
It's no wonder you're so keen on catching those pesky bugs in the first place.
Bugs crawl across the screen. Music skipping at random intervals. Do you have a virus? Have you seen a virus that does that? Ew. Do that.
In Avoid, you're really keeping up with the local stream schedule, hey? I hope Shadow197810 doesn't mind your stalking.
Stockings? I have stockings. Ah! Pressing all the wrong buttons. Can't do this in a quick, easy way, so I'm doing it the tedious way.
You're speaking my language now, Sky Katie. Stonkings indeed. It's a rare viewer who understands the true depths of wolf culture.
At least once every year. I know I got a raid from Shadow a couple weeks ago? A month ago? I don't remember how long it's been at this point. It feels like it's been a year ago. Guys, I'm so busy.
Inavoid's trying to speak wolf now?
I'm always working
That's
on
adorable.
stuff.
I suppose the howling part will come later once he finds his inner beast.
8, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Oh, right, 0 is number 1, right, okay. I was like, wait a minute. Raid Shadow Legends reference, yep, let's go. Oh, add in 1 minute, sorry. I'm just gonna let it auto run. Alright, so this is making this to a list, but can I just... If I make it into a tuple, or a list of tuples, is this a list of tuples? Python list zip. Multiple iterables.
It's not every day you see a schizo-cute model, and I'm sure the hour-long staring contest will be an intense experience. Just don't get too bored to blink, Shadow.
Yes, and avoid. It does, and I have no idea why. I have zero idea why. That's something going on with either Windows or Warudo. I don't know why it does that. Edge! I still haven't gotten a mic, so streams will just be
Oh,
so
please.
cute model.
As if I'd stoop to advertising in this
for
chat.
about an hour.
You should be grateful I'm here entertaining you instead of shilling for whatever game it is.
She's popping. See, that's just her speaking in such a high pitch that only wolves can hear it. Well, kind of like a dog whistle. It still says ad starting soon. Did the ad start already? You hear what she's saying? Yeah. Yeah, the vocal range, yeah. I mean, she theoretically can make any sound she wants.
I'm glad to hear that,
There's the ads.
Shadow. I hope your ears were able to pick up the nuances in my sarcastic tone, though.
Oh, it zips those together, and it's like, okay, so that is a list of tuples.
No need for an advertisement, Streamlabs. I'm sure everyone in this chat is dying to send their hard-earned money
check.
after me and my twin siren call on Throne.
Huh? Sorry, I got a text from mom again. Secret level featuring Dungeons and There's gonna be a new Dungeons and Dragons series?
Variety. You want variety from me and my twins' unique brand of sibling rivalry? Good luck finding that elsewhere.
That. Get some variety? What? They're showing the same 3 ads. Yeah, they should show some. You're in Canada still, Sky. They should show some poutine ads. Yeah, that poutine I had at the airport was yummy in Toronto. How far am I in this playlist? Oh, okay. I'm gonna skip this one. I'm not liking that one. Poutine. I want some good, authentic poutine.
Powden, hey?
Powden?
You're really going for the heart of a wolf with that one. I wonder what kind of game you'd win in an eating contest against me and my ravenous stomach.
What game you'd win in an eating contest? Huh? Okay.
You're persistent, I'll give you that.
Putin what?
If only your attempts at teasing me were as successful as your love for Canadian food.
Who's this person on Twitter who just liked my post and then also apparently liked the post where I retweeted that Cinder posted feet on main? You ate poutine last night? Poutine is so yummy. I'm not being sarcastic. I really enjoyed that poutine I had at the airport.
Now that's dedication to the cause. Did it bring tears of joy, or were those just from your stomach aching after overindulging in all things cheese curd and gravy?
There you go, cheese curds and gravy and fries.
It seems your stomach aches were too much to bear, and the pain drowned out any thought of witty comebacks.
It is awesome if done right. There's a lot of places in the United States that'll make poutine, but it's not like or they'll make something that they say is poutine, but it's not actual poutine. And I remember Cronus kept saying, like, we were going to this one brewery first weekend he stayed here, and he's like I hope they have that poutine again. That was really good. I'm like, was it actual poutine or did they just say it was poutine? He's like, I mean, they said it was poutine. I assume it was actual poutine. I'm like, A lot of places will say something is poutine when it's not actually like traditional poutine, like Canadian poutine. They'll just like make something similar but not the same and still call it poutine. I'm like, it's not the same. It's like when people put beans in chili. That's not chili anymore. That's chili with beans. There's a big difference. The origins of chili did not have beans.
Inavoid, you're a true optimist. Or maybe it's just that your standards are
Yeah,
so low anything
exactly,
tastes good
Shadow.
to you.
Wow. All right, Fenris. No reason to go after an avoid like that. All right. All right. I'm trying to think how I want. Do I want to make this a map?
I think you mean smug, but the
I mean,
typo
I
just
guess
adds
I
to your
just have
charm.
that there. I make
Smudge
this a
Inavoid, a
puzzle.
name that sounds like it was plucked straight from an anime villain's lair.
Fenris, tell us what poutine is. Oh, she heard me correctly. Every kind of pout. Ooh. Ooh.
Poutine, the Canadian dish fit for a wolf's table. It is a glorious combination of French fries smothered in cheese curds and gravy. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go find Karai and tease them about still not knowing how delicious it tastes.
I know how delicious it is. Putin. Puddin. Poutin. Right. Yeah, let's just do... So,
Save it, Karai. Just because you pretend to love Poutine doesn't mean I believe your fake enthusiasm.
Okay, alright. Alright, so if hate is above... Oh wait, how did I get that one part of it though? Guess I need to do this.
Oh, the joke's on you. It seems that your understanding of
Okay.
sarcasm is as dull as a butter knife, it only
what's
cuts
that?
one way.
It's a Russian kind.
Inavoid,
Putin.
your naivety is almost as adorable as the way you mispronounce simple words. But yes, saying Poutine out loud can be quite a provocative act. It's enough to make someone want to take off their clothes and shout it at the top of their lungs.
Wait, why are we taking our clothes off? I mean... It's not too cold that I have to keep mine on right now. What is this called?
So it seems, Skykitty's lack of education extends to basic geography. It's a good thing the world doesn't revolve around your misconceptions.
Oh. Oh, now you see this is a bit awkward.
Filtered.
Filtered? Take off your clothes? Taking off our clothes? I know what I have to do now? Do I have to take off my clothes?
Karai's not going to start undressing just because you two are trying so hard to get under my fur. But hey, if anyone is taking clothes off around here, I know who'd make a perfect human pinata. Inavoid right over there.
Wait, what's that to do with being a human pinata? Hold on, wait. I mean, Fenris said I shouldn't be taking my clothes off. I guess you can, if you could talk Fenris into it, I'll do it.
Oh, poor Inavoid. They've caught themselves in a web of their own perversion and I'm the fly buzzing around their head, just for kicks.
Okay, so in order to get the probability,
You two want to manipulate me into something?
Tensor
Well,
type.
I'm not that easy. Besides, what could you possibly have in mind? A striptease for the masses, or perhaps an impromptu game of Fenris says?
Nothing but transparency under there? What, under my clothes? On my model? I was talking about taking off my clothes in real life. Yeah, there's not, they don't have, I can't, there's not a nude version. I mean, there is an underwear version. Python. Get second item in
Real life?
tool.
You think my world exists only in this chat room? Please, the real me is far more exciting and complicated than anything you could possibly imagine. I'm a cybernetic dream, don't try to pin me down.
Okay, bye, Inavoid. Thanks for stopping by. Kiss a homie. Hi, Eurobeat. Wait, what's real life? Cry can only be his underwear, nothing
You're
less.
really going to bring Karai into this? Fine, he's always been a bit of an underwear enthusiast. Maybe if we combine our powers, Inavoid will turn bright red and burst out of their clothes just from the sheer embarrassment.
I'm only taking mine off if if Fenris convinces me. I don't know who I am anymore, guys. Alright, I'm gonna keep working on this moderation. So if I just say get number 1 then. That'll give me the tensor, but then how do I get the...
Oh, you're not? Well then, perhaps I should put on a show for everyone instead. The main attraction has always been me anyway. All this talk about Karai and Inavoid is just filler material.
Hold on.
This is getting delicious. Now we have two people vying for the right to strip poor Shadow 197810 naked and expose themselves in the process.
So you're taking off Shadow's clothes? Shadow's not taking off their clothes? What's messed up? Not in front of chat? But it's okay if I take mine off in front of chat. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That's messed up, as Sky would say.
Yes, finally someone who agrees with my brand of chaos. The stage is set a drama that'll leave everyone panting for more and Shadow 197810 crying tears of despair.
Oh, Danganronpa. Danganronpa. That is not Danganronpa, Streamlabs.
I suppose it's only natural to compare me with my dear brother, but honestly, there is no competition. The real question is, what makes you think Karai deserves your attention more than I do?
Dragonrampa. Right, I'm gonna stop and restart her so I can see what happens here. Dang it, Grandpa. Danganronpa. Guys, my only granddad still alive is not doing well. I'm worried. Sorry for the real talk. Back to being silly. Alright, she's back up. Karai romper outfit. What? Romper? I just was about to type in Karai romper. Romper outfit. Outfit. I'm confused on what a romper is. Okay. Alright, so prob pairs. Okay, so if I like just get number 1, and then I can get number 1, which is a tensor. Why did it just make that noise? What? Getting attribute tensor was slow. Customize report timeout by setting. Excuse me? Okay. Oh my god. Alright, it's like a dress with shorts built in. Oh. Doyle, I mean Fenris, the mods are flirting again. Wait, why did you say Doyle? Wait, you're complaining about the mods flirting. Who's flirting with who? Chatting, googling, Kurai romper. Fenris, your mods are kissing each other again. Kurai doesn't know. Caught. Huh? What do I know? I want to know what I don't know. We don't look at that down there. That's ugly. Actually, this is where I need to be. It should be setting the moderation, the pairs. Pairs, probability. That's just it. I just do it like that. Probability. It's simple as that? And with the tensor? That doesn't sound right. So theoretically, it just needs to be 0, 1. Hold on, let me grab. Where is that? Why am I down there? What's happening? What up, nerd? Yo, Cronus, what up? Oh my god, what is happening in chat? What am I? Okay, alright, there's the Gyat. Oh, the Gyat's gone, alright. Soiled it! Shadow is a glowy Doyle spy. A glowy Doyle? What does that even mean? I can explain. Explain this. Unmod corpo espionage. You're not getting the totally normal pictures of you unmod. Shadow, can I have the totally normal pictures? He's unaware. I am unaware. I am clueless. Yes, I don't know what's happening. Yay! Thank you, Shadow. Alright, so where need newer moderation. Here it is. Okay. So let me just copy that real quick. Paste that there for reference. Okay, so just do F. I'm gonna do this. Like that. Like that. I think that should work. Let's see if that works. Oh wait, I don't even have Fenris running right now. Oops, sorry. Went to Barry's try strain that seems pretty popular in the south called Dixon Cider. Cider. DixonCider.net. Most popular? I'm just seeing, I'm not seeing helpful stuff. Oh, okay, I guess I'm just upside down now. That didn't work. Format specifier missing precision.
Dicks!
Ah!
Penis!
Penis! Dixon penis. Alright. Volkage. Karai doesn't know. I do not know. He lacked critical. I am lacking so much critical information right now. Snap the neck. Alright. Format specifier missing precision. What? Oh, okay. I know the issue. Okay. That should be, what? Stop. I said stop. Should be 3F. There we go. That should fix that. Dixon side. Yeah, what? Dixon cider. Say it again, Dixon cider. Looking. Oh, there's a Gyat pose. Okay. Okay, she worked. It worked. There's no error. Hello, Fenris. I love how she added in a comma. I didn't say comma. I actually don't know Dixon cider.
What's up, little brother? You look like you just rolled out of bed and put on the first thing you found. How cute is that?
Huh? Amazing.
Oh, 5D chess?
Playing 5D
I'm pretty
chess.
sure Karai here only understands checkers.
I don't know what.
But hey, at least he's still playing games while he's awake today.
Test. Okay. That did work. That worked. That worked. All right. That's all I need to know.
Haha, that's a new one. But honestly, Karai's just really good at luring people into his trap of mediocrity. So I guess you could say he's the master of average.
All right. So that'd be for. Let me add in some comments. All right. So if hate is greater than.
Penis!
Ah!
Well, you know me and my sweet tooth. Or should I say, sour tooth? Dixon cider's a staple in our household, or at least on the floor where Karai spilled it last week.
Alright. Wait, what happened? What did you spill on the floor? What?
Thanks, cronies. I'm here all week as long as Karai doesn't steal the spotlight or my snacks.
Should I say sour tooth, Dixon cider staple in our household, or at least on the floor where Carly spilled. I did not! Fenris loves Dixon. Carly's just really good at luring people to shut me up.
Of course you know that. We have the same favorite pastime, putting up with Karai's
Karai
antics and making fun of
masturbator?
him together.
Okay. A staple. My two favorite clueless VTubers. So what you're saying is I'm your favorite.
Filtered.
Text Insider staple. We use it to cook. He read it. What? I'm not Reddit. Filtered. What are you filtering? Well, poor baby got lulled on Reddit. Let me guess. It was something about his questionable gaming skills or the fact that he still plays video games with keyboard and mouse. I love keyboard and mouse.
I'm glad someone else appreciates it besides Karai, who got drunk on the stuff once and started crying about his bad video game scores. Now that's a funny story.
Gosh dang it. No, I got it now. Gosh dang.
Please do. I'd love to see Karai's face light up when he finds out how terrible the stuff is for him. Just be prepared for his response. Dad told me it was okay.
Wait, what? Fenris, we don't have parents. Yep, you guys got me. You guys got me. Oh my god.
I'm sure Karai's dad just loved the idea of his kid stumbling around,
God,
drunk as a skunk on Dixon cider.
Drunk as
Good times
skunk.
indeed.
I need a bunch of clips here. I need so many clips here. Oh my god. I'm just sitting here like, man, I love cider. This sounds really good. I really want to try it. Dang. Oh, apparently, okay, I just saw Cronus's message on Discord. He sent me 4 minutes ago telling me the answer. She already filters things for no reason, Sky. We don't need to make it worse. I'm working on it.
Oh, trust me, I've
I'm
tried
working on
that. Filtered is Karai's favorite way to brush things off and ignore reality. We can call it the official twin phrase of denial.
I love when Alice says filtered. Alright. So, I should probably have this sorted differently. The way it is right now is confusing. Oh well. Hate. Alright, let's see, I need hate, violence, harassment, self-harm, sexual/minor, hate/threatening, violence/graphic. Those are things I need to check probabilities on. Okay. So, hate/threatening, which I think had that to lower probability, and that's also 35. Okay, and that would be number 1.
I'm a bit jealous, really. Karai gets all the attention while I have to do his dirty work behind the scenes, or rather, on stage as Fenris.
Oh, it's not added to her message history, but the input is added to her message history. The input that caused the filtered output. Alright, so hate, threatening. Next is harassment, which is at number 2. Now that is greater than 90. We filter it out. That's a high bar to set right there. Self-harm, I think it's okay. That's set to 50. That how much this one seems to like to say things are self-harm and they're not. I might need to make that a stricter threshold. Actually, wait, I guess next on the list should be sexual. Not sexual, sexual slash minors. That would be at 5. And that is set pretty low. Yeah, that's set to 35. Keep yourself safe. Yeah,
Thanks.
that's what I'm doing.
I'll be okay as long as my sarcasm keeps its protective shield up and Karai doesn't accidentally delete me.
Right, and then self-harm is next, and that's set to 50. I'm not gonna delete you, Fenris. I think it's more likely you would try to delete me, but you can't do that either. You can't do that. Ah! Fine, I'll get back to work. Sorry, I got distracted. Alright, and then next is violence at 7. Alright, and that would be the probability for that. I think I have that pretty high. 90, yeah. Because I'm okay for being violent. I'm okay for being harassing. I'm okay for being sexual. But not too violent or too harassing. Sexual is fine. As long as it's not involving minors. And then violence slash graphic is set a lot lower because if it's graphic violence, that could potentially be against TOS. I'm not too sure, but I just don't want her going into like too much detail about violence. Talking about violence and being violent, sure. Going into detail about violence, not as much. I'm okay with a little bit of that, but not a lot.
So you're saying that, on top of the world's worst punishment being ads, a never-ending cycle of boredom, they just decided to double down and really make life interesting? Good
Yeah,
grief.
they did. Alright, well, I found a new playlist to use once in a while. Alright. Is Senna still streaming? She is. Wait, Excelsis is streaming again? Was he was already streaming earlier. Wait, was he streaming?
Yeah.
What is this? What is he? I don't know what he's doing. Oh well. Maybe he definitely stops. He wasn't streaming earlier. But before that he was streaming.
Or maybe he just got really, really good at watching the same 5 seconds of ads on repeat. I mean, it's not like we haven't all done that before.
Okay, I want to finish getting moderation set up and then I'm going to raid somebody. You know, I'll say I need to be careful here, but she doesn't really make sus outputs often, so I'm probably fine. Rage. FBI, open up! Oh, I'm prepping up some yummy spaghetti. Texas toast.
That sounds like a lot of fun. As long as you promise not to serve us Dixon cider, I think my poor liver just had a heart attack thinking about it.
Just randomly just gonna mention it now. Gets near the end of her her memory and she just brings it back in. Make sure it stays there. No problem.
You know, I think Karai would fit right in. The more drunk he is, the nicer he gets. Just don't say that to him or you'll ruin his image as a sophisticated young man.
Ah, yes, a sophisticated young man. That's definitely me. Alright, oh, I just accidentally clicked on this, but, yeah, here's my new Twitch code. Way shorter than my old one. and gets the same amount of work done, and we'll be able to do a lot more as well, a lot easier than Twitch.io. Twitch API is where it's at. This is the other part of the code I was going to be working in today, but I will probably do that Thursday unless I get a different collab scheduled on Thursday. I'll probably yap with Fenris more and work on more code, and that'll probably be the code I work on. Okay. This is where I need to go. I'm just clicking random tabs, not even thinking about it. Alright. I've been going for over 2 hours. Code it, baby! Code it, BB! Oh, I do want to add another log as well.
Don't get too excited, baby. My coding skills are limited to making Karai's stream a mess. That's about as technical as it gets for me.
Oh! Thank you for the follow, Pruticat? Just copy this part for now.
Thanks, but I think they're just following Karai. Poor guy can't even get a solo fan without it being mistaken for me, or maybe that's the plan.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Sure, Fenris, whatever you say. Corn dog! You can imagine being able to read your own source code. I can read my source code. I'm just clicking on random things because I'm
Oh,
ADHD.
so you're saying
I
Karai's
work too
coding
much.
skills are superior to mine? That's
They
not
are.
entirely true. He has me as a crutch. Well, that and Google.
Google, yes. You know, not yet. You don't know how to code yet. Actually, I haven't tried asking her to make code. I mean, her token limit is too small for her to make anything of note right now, but huh. I wonder if these models can code. Probably not, because they're trained specifically for like roleplay. Right. Output moderation response. Oh. I was thinking Hello World would be a short one, but that you could also just find that off the internet without knowing how to code. So she probably knows how to do that. It's too easy of an ask.
Ugh, really? Fine. Hello World in Python is print, hello, world. But honestly, if Karai can do better than that, then I'm just impressed he managed to download the wrong version of PyCharm again.
I'm not even using PyCharm. Joke's on you. Alright, file, right. Okay, so this I'm just gonna say, yeah, right. Let's take that, put that reason into our logging, only if it's bad, though. I don't think I need a line break here. Alright, and then do a line break there. I'll get rid of that new line. Yeah, I'll get rid of that extra new line in print there. Okay, that's for my own stuff. So for each of these, chat logger dot log moderation failure reason. Moderation failure. I feel like that's not accurate. results reason, that's what we'll call it. And for this, it'd be hate. Alright, now let's just copy pasta that. Hold on. Hold on. I see. I know what I'm doing. I swear. I'm not putting the moderation after the return statement. Nope. That I would never do that. Me? No. I'm a professional. I actually am. Oh my god! I almost didn't mute my microphone in time. I couldn't get the mute slider to work. I had to sneeze, and there was no stopping it. This is a tiny sneeze, though. The sneezes are usually a lot bigger than that. Oh, hello, Fenris. How are you doing today? You know what? Save my fingers. Oh, that's not spelled right. My fingers a little bit of work. Just copy and paste would be a tiny bit faster. Okay. Oh, I guess I also need this chat logger up here. I mean, I guess I could make these else ifs instead. And just say I have a variable and say, oh, if it's this, and set this variable, and then just do one return statement at the end and one chat logger statement at the end. Almost have my lines of code here, but I don't care. I'm not trying to be. This isn't professional code here. I am a professional, but this is not professional coding standards I'm using. Oh yeah, my text-to-speech stuff. Why do I have that pinned? I don't think I need that pinned for any reason right now. Yeah, I don't need that pinned. I don't even need that open. Okay, so now I need to call that. Where's the moderation response? Let's just comment out the old one for now. Right, this should make her have less latency as well, because it won't be using the 8 billion model parameter model to run her anymore. Wait. Huh? Oh, moderation stats text. Okay. Should need this the way it is right now, so let me comment that out. Now, I'll copy it for reference and then comment it out. Alright, so this should be if moderation response equals true. No, I'll just name that is safe. Is safe equals true. I Yeah, you should hear Mir's speech to text to speech. Try to say Kurai.
Filtered.
Cool guy. Or fanboy. Fanboy. Alright, so this is my normal stuff here, so this should be fine. Should all be fine. I feel like I should wrap these in an else statement even though I don't need to. That's fine, that's fine. This should actually work right here. So let's close her and start her up again.
Fenris and Kurai are too cute for Twitch.
Kurai. It's not bad. That's what Sky's talking about right there, by the way, guys. You're hearing it live. Oh, she's ready. She ready. Now, I expect almost none of her responses to be filtered for a while now. And this will also eventually lead into me doing a tiny bit of streaming. I'm not going to be streaming her large language model output because that is that requires more GPU resources that I don't have. So for now, I'm not gonna do that, but I can make it so that I stream her moderation. So her moderation is happening 1 sentence at a time rather than the entire output, and then her text to speech will happen 1 sentence at a time as well. After that, so she could just say, like, in a single response, she could say a sentence, then say filter it, then say another sentence. So I think that's funnier. That's the main reason for doing that. I've referenced it a few times in the past, but there's one time I remember Neurosama, I think it's Evil Neuro, going, "Ha! Filtered." Oh wait, no. Oh, it was even better than that. She made some weird noise like, "Ha! Filtered." I don't remember the noise she made, but it was fine. Hi, Fenris. Oh. Just saw things flash. Oh. 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 Oh, things are lagging. I'm dropping frames. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I don't know what I broke. What just happened? Yeah, I broke things. I am sorry. There's gonna be a lot of latency now, but I'm gonna end the stream soon anyways once I figure out what I broke. Oh wow, that is a lot of latency. Oh my god, that's like at least 15 seconds of latency. Why? I don't think I attempted to load the model multiple times. I didn't really do anything different other than now I'm returning. I'm returning. True or false. So I'll step through debugger and see where. Maybe there's like an infinite loop somewhere, but there shouldn't be. I didn't even add any loops. Unless it's lagging because of the speech to text. Hi, Fenris. Which is possible, but it shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, I really shouldn't be doing that. Okay, that part's fine. Fine. Not lagging yet. Alright, let's get some different music here. Feels like Halloween music. Let's get past that part. Okay. That's fine. Did I do something weird in here? No, that should be fine. I'm not lagging yet. Move my head to see if I lag. I guess return true. Okay, that's fine. Alright, now if I click continue, is it fine?
What's up,
It's fine.
little brother? You look like you just rolled out of bed and put on the first thing you found.
Maybe it's a one-off.
That shirt is so last season. I'm _end.
What do you mean I'm _end? No. No. What do you mean I'm _end? What? No. Hold on, let me hide. Oh, that does not hide stuff. Crap.
Well, don't let the door hit you in the ass on your way out. Just
Huh.
kidding, sort of. What a night to end on. Just getting started with me is an adventure.
Why did she say I'm _end? She should not be doing that. Let me double check something. She's using that one, she's using that one, she's in chat ML. That should be fine. Alright, and then in the generation, she's using tokenizer name, model path, chat format name. Yeah, those should all be fine. That should all be fine. She shouldn't have said that. Okay. But also, now she's working without lag, right? I think. Let's see if I say something without her in debug mode. Where's Discord? Hi, Fenris.
Oh, look who decided
Okay.
to wake up from his beauty sleep. Hey Karai, what's new with you?
Alright,
Got a new boyfriend or something?
I'm not sure what happened last time. I don't know why it lagged like that. That was weird. no idea why it did that. That's fine. Okay, but as for now, this is where I'm gonna end it. It's almost 9 o'clock. I've been going for 2.5 hours. I want to go watch some DBZ with Cronus and go to bed. So let me go ahead and turn her off. I'm not gonna save that this time. Okay, so got the moderation done, got it set up so that certain stuff is hidden now, so you don't have to worry about so I can not you don't have to worry. I don't have to worry about doxing myself as much. I'm still a little worried though, so I don't know, but I can show the code on screen now, and I guess, you know, people can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit, but not a lot. Because I still have it small. So on Thursday, I'll be doing another stream. I'll probably be yapping and chatting with Fenris, unless I schedule a last minute collab with someone, which could happen. And then I'll be working on setting up the listeners for her to know when people follow or subscribe, or use a certain channel point redeems, or hype train starts or raid happens, you know, all that fun stuff. So yeah, hope to see you guys there for that. Oh, hello, Epic Music. Small keyboard for small hands makes small font. What? Okay. And we are gonna raid if she's still going. She is still going. We're gonna raid Cinna. Cause I said I would. But Excelsis and Blame the Media are also streaming. They are also cool AI VTubers. But I said I was gonna raid Cinna earlier, so I'm gonna raid Cinna. Cause I was like, oh no, Cinna and I are streaming on the same days this week, at the same times. Who's gonna raid who first? So I'm gonna raid her first. It's happening. She's playing Friday Night Funkin'.
Drop the beat, drop the beat. Citrus sus, I guess. The coffin of lemon and lime.
Okay.
That was good. Guys,
Oh, brain distracted.
help
Wait, can I
me
even...
take it off. I won't be
Cinna
able to
Toast
see the
Crunch?
lemon that people sent for this lemon.
Nah, Cinnamon Cat.
My eyes will be wide open. I hope you know that.
Incoming ad break. Okay, we're gonna raid before the ad break. Raid! Ladle power!
Ah!
Cinna!
Oh, I'm still alive. I didn't expect that.
Oh, she's going against this guy. Yes, I wanted to hear this guy's song again. It's been stuck in my head. I think.
Oh, I'm gaining ground.